So mga kanegosyo, whether you're teaching, painting, reading, or coaching, may space ka sa mundo ng entrepreneurship. Basta ba may lakas ka ng loob na magsimula, consistent ka, and determined. Hello mga kanegosyo! Welcome back sa show ng Startup Dreamers, Hustlers, at Future Business Legends. Ito ang Startup,
Now na,
Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.
Today, we are diving into something very meaningful. Using knowledge as your core capital in doing business.
Tama, dahil hindi lang pera ang puhunan sa negosyo. Minsan ang pinaka-powerful na kapital ay ang kaalaman. Lalo na kung ang negosyo mo ay nagbibigay din ng learning sa iba.
Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang mga education-based businesses. From book cafes to online tutorials and many more. Kaya kung mahilig ka magturo, magbasa at magbahagi ng kaalaman, this episode is for you.
Let's start with something cozy. Imagine a space na pwede kang magkape, magbasa, and matuto all at the same time. Tama, book cafes. Some entrepreneurs are turning their love for books into income by creating cafes na may mini libraries or reading corners.
And we love going to places like that, right? Para sa akin, ang business na tayo is very meaningful. Hindi lang magandang ambience ang naibibigay ng owner sa atin. It also kind of creates a community of thinkers and readers, softly building a sense of belongingness, diba?
Yeah, especially kapag may mga events like poetry reading or book launch parties. Sobrang saya talaga. At alam niyo ba na may mga book cafes na nakikipag-partner with local authors and publishers?
Oo nga. Very nice, right? You get to earn through passion while pursuing an advocacy, which is providing writers the channel to share their stories with potential readers.
Next, let's talk about online tutorials. Kung may skill ka, whether it's coding, baking, photography, or even public speaking, pwede mo yung gawing online course.
There are many applications and tools online to help you monetize your knowledge. You can even use famous platforms like TikTok and YouTube for this. You just have to record the video, upload, then share to people.
Ang maganda rito, once mo lang gagawin ang isang video, pero pwede mong pagkakitaan ng paulit-ulit.
And it's not just about income. It's about impact as well. Kasi you're also helping people learn, grow, and even start their own businesses while pursuing your own.
Similar to creating online learning courses, we also have training centers and learning hubs. Think of review centers, ESL schools, tech bootcamps, or even life skills workshops. They offer knowledge as a product too. Ang kaibahan lang, may physical location ng business.
This is popular nowadays kasi marami rin namang demand ngayon for upskilling. So if you have a background in education or training experiences, this is a solid business idea.
And of course, as an IT professional, I would recommend EdTech. These are apps that teach math, reading, coding, and many more. If you're a techie or have a great idea na pwede mong i-digitize ang learning, this is your playground. Halimbawa nito ang Duolingo, Khan Academy, Quizzes, Grammarly, or even local ones like LearnHub and Quizzer.
Now that technology is very progressive, these applications show us the present and future of learning. Very impactful.
Last on our list today, Creative Learning Studios. Ito yung mga actual spaces or online platforms that teach creative skills like painting, music, dance, photography, or even digital art.
Ang ganda nito kasi it taps into passion and self-expression, two of the unfading themes of our generation, kaya sure na may demand. Plus, creative education is so therapeutic, kaya if you have this kind of business, you're not just teaching a skill, you're also helping people reconnect to themselves and express.
So mga kanegosyo, whether you're teaching, painting, reading, or coaching, may space ka sa mundo ng entrepreneurship. Basta ba may lakas ka ng loob na magsimula, consistent ka, and determined.
Absolutely right! To our dearest viewers, build businesses that not only earn, but also educate and empower. We hope you liked our episode for today. And if you did, please like, share, and follow our page for more discussions on topics that matter. I am Hannah.
And I am Brian. This has been your dose of business inspiration for Literacy Month. Thanks for watching Startup.
Now na, Usapang Payaman, Online Tambayan.